So, this is the last batch of our bensonic sample. I hope to find here some more of the Legendrea. What I'll do, I'll take a petri dish and add the bensonic debris on the periphery real slow, like that. I want the debris to stay in the periphery, so I'll get a better view. If you hear it ticking, it's a boatman that entered my sample. Sounds like the start of 60 minutes. There's some more debris in there. I'll take it. Again, just on the periphery for now. Then I'm taking the upper layer without debris and spreading it from the middle. So now let's look. Let's take a look to the camera, how it looks. Okay, so now we are looking at the sample. You can see the center of it is relatively clear for a benthic sample, and we get our debris in the periphery. Oh, here's a nice larva. Okay, so our mission now is to search for Legendrea, sorry. I'm on the 2x lens, but on the lowest zoom level. That's enough for such a big creature to spot, and a lot of times less is more, because if I can spot it in that zoom level, I can cover a lot of area more quickly. Legendrea is a very slow ciliate. We'll see it, I hope we'll see it, just floating, hovering next to the bottom, very slowly. So now I'm just scanning around the periphery to see if some came out. So I'm just browsing around the periphery. Okay, I see none have come out. Maybe there are none in the sample. That's an option as well. But stage 2 is probing. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna compact debris to the periphery. Sometimes I find one or two after 5 minutes. They had enough of the debris and they came out. So patience is always a key with microscopy. Okay, and our patience has been rewarded. Don't know if you can spot it in this magnification, but I can, and I'll zoom in so we'll all enjoy Legendrea on the wild. It's very conspicuous. This one has got all its tentacles folded. So I'll just take my micropipette and very gently transfer it to another dish. Let's look for some more because one isn't enough. I remind you that those tickings are the boatman in the jar. This is... what is this? I don't know what. We'll skip it for now because we are focused on Legendrea. Oh, my cat is banging on the door, wants food. We'll ignore it for now. Again, oh, look what a nice bloom of dinoflagellates. Let's see if there is a Legendrea here that enjoys this party. Nope. Okay, so that's it for the scan.